High quality extension wire na may 9 na saksakan, 4 na USB ports at kumpleto sa safety features. Ito yung 13-in-1 na extension cord from Blue Shark. And ang nagustuhan ko dito is yung dami ng saksakan niya. Meron tong tigta-tatlo na ports on different sides, 3 USB-A at 1 USB-C. Fast charging na rin to up to 20 watts, kaya pwede mong idirekta dito yung mga devices mo. Marami na tong mounting options kasi meron siyang kasamang clamp na very high quality. Pwede mo tong i-clamp dun sa desk mo, ikabit sa wall mo, or ipatong lang anywhere. Pagdating sa build quality, this doesn't disappoint kasi napakakapal nung 6 feet na cable na ginamit dito, and yung plug niya is heavy duty with a 45-degree angle. Overall, if you have a lot of devices that you need to plug in at the same time while staying organized, I would highly recommend this 13-in-1 extension cord from Blue Shark. So if you're interested, I'll just put the link down below, and don't forget to follow for more.